Hello everyone, I am Aakhya Varshney from class 6D. Today I am going to show you how sugar dissolves in different temperatures of water. This is hot water, cold water and normal water. So now I am adding sugar in it. First in hot water, then in cold water and then in normal temperature water. Now as you can see that sugar dissolves quickly in hot water. Now let's see in cold water. See, it is taking very much time to dissolve in it. See, it is taking very much time. Now let's see in normal water. It has taken less time than cold water but much time than hot water. In cold water, it takes very much time to dissolve in it. Sugar takes very much time, and in hot water it dissolves very quickly. Thank you.